Jamaica. This is Bad Boy Trevor.
And this is Bashment Granny.
And this is
Money Q Ellis.
Come and see your play, Money Move, coming to your parish soon.
And when are the date them again?
We're gonna have our first show for the holiday on the 14th of December at Hydale High School.
And
St. Mary.
The 25th of December.
Christmas Day.
and when again?
The 26th will be at BLA High School in Mandeville.
The 26th will be BLA High School
in Mandeville.
In Mandeville.
And then the 28th, no, we will be in St. Thomas, guys.
St. Thomas. Colonel Court.
And then the final show for the holidays on New Year's Day, which is Lucy. January 1.
January 1.
We have the 29th of Maypen.
Yeah.
Maypen, the 29th of December. So, the 20th,
the 14th.
The 14th, Idle.
The 25th.
25th, is Christmas Day, St. Mary High School.
The 26th.
The 26th,
Bel-Air.
Mandeville.
Bel-Air High.
In Mandeville.
28th.
The 28th,
Clarendon.
Clarendon. No. St. Thomas. Clarendon, 29th. So,
And then the
Lucy
last one.
at the 1st of January 2020. Go tell your friends. The play is Money Move, starring Bashment Granny, Bad Boy Trevor, Monique Ellis, and Shaquana Wilson.
And Rain. Michael.
But Trevor, me said this at school, but you're bright. My name is so bright. I think I waste my money.
You're not wasting money.
Yo, see I man right now, they're in a deeper meds. If they understand they go to school, how they must get money? Where you want there go thief?
But
Me
Trevor,
did tell you about your mother? Me did tell you about your mother? Hey, you don't know who me now. Me don't know no. Me don't. Hey. Me not threatening you.
You know, big up on the butt.
make up on yourself. You know? And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes.
Hey, me come
You
big
understand?
off on the face. Me did tell you
Carson.
about your mother? Me did tell you about your mother? When me tell you about your mother?
Me, Sessa?
You know, and that you say me
No,
tell you.
I said, me, Sessa? You look, yes, you are the one. You didn't hear me, Sessa? You hear me say anything?
People would just come out, come support the show because this naga normal with Bashi, with Bad Boy Trevor, with me, with Rain,
Dirty
and
Trevor.
And Shaquana.
Bad Boy Trevor.
No man, the show are
No
gonna.
good Trevor.
The show are gonna turn up.
Trevor,
Money Move.
Money Move.
No follow me here. Money Move is a family thing.
Give me.
Bring your mother from the home to the tomb.
I don't me tell
Money
you now.
Move.
Yeah, me tell you say you're a decent boy now. I want good boy that you know. You see, I get more and get him out of my house.
Money, oh, macadam and cucumber.